And we have reached, Amu. You're gonna meet your new friend. Let's go. Hey. Okay. Yeah. Amu, your new friend is gonna meet you here. No, stay there. Amu, hey, what are you excited about? Oh God, what are you so excited about? You can smell. Amu, come. No, stay there. Come. What are you so excited about? Huh?
Smelling all dogs, huh?
Yeah, must be smelling all the other dogs. No. What? Who are you going after, huh? Why is the tail wagging so much, huh? Amu, sit. Sit. Say hello. Good boy. Sit. Stay. Amu, look who's here. Look who's here. That's Meiko. First time meeting another dog.
So big.
Meiko scared. Meiko, why are you scared?
Was it 2 minutes?
Hello, auntie. Meiko, why are you scared? Meiko, come here.
Bit on the leg. Yeah.
Ooh, that's nasty.
Hello. He's also scared.
They both are scared.
Shouldn't be scared, na? So
Meiko, hello.
brown.
Hello. She's so pretty.
Hi.
Meiko, sit.
Hey Meiko. Oh, बंदर. तू अच्छा कूदता है. गाड़ी में बैठते हैं मजे से?
नहीं.
कैसे हो गए ये सारे के सारे कुत्ते आज? स्पाइरो भी कूद के बैठ जाता था. गाड़ी देख के भाग जाती है.
Meiko, what are you so scared of?
नहीं खेलने का भी मन कर रहा है.
अभी खेलेगी 5 मिनट.
अभी खेलेगी.
मेरे पास नहीं. उधर जाओ.
Amo, come here. Amo, come here. Sit. Say hello. Good boy.
थोड़ा
क्या हो गया? क्यों डर रही है? घूमने.
Amo wants to play, Meiko.
अब मीको को सपोर्ट.
Okay, that's a okay, that's interesting.
भाग रहा है यार. यही जाते हैं.
Meiko, don't hit him.
रुक जा.
Oh, I'm scared.
स्पाइरो, एक मीको को पकड़ लो ना. कुछ नहीं होगा.
Amo, relax.
स्पाइरो. वो भाग रहा है.
That's a big boxer.
स्पाइरो गंदी बात.
Amo, don't worry, baby, don't worry. See, he's licking you. He likes you.
स्पाइरो पे आती मेरे अंदर जा. वो आ रही है. देखा?
Hello, Spyro. How old is he now?
He's going on 13.
Wow, that's long for a boxer.
No. Wait.
So you take him to Dr. Rana only?
अब कोई फायदा नहीं है यार. Just a degenerative disease, so you.
No, in general.
Yeah, I would take all of them to Dr. Anna.
Now he's fine.
No, it's fine. Now don't run. Don't be scared, Amo. He's a friend.
Ah, साले कुत्ते. जा, ला मैं जा चल.
गंदी बात करते हो स्पाइरो तुम.
Ui, his legs are that bad now.
अभी तो भौंक रहा था, क्या हो गया तेरे को? है डरपोक? ले आज को ये लॉन में ले आया. कम है एमो.
Meiko, no. Don't be scared, Amo. Don't be scared.
नहीं खेलता है ना जैसे आगे वाले दोनों
पहले
बॉल
तो भाग गया ना कि वो डर रहा है बेचारा.
हाँ,
Much bigger than Rufus.
जैसे मीकू को. जैसे मीकू के साथ खेलता था. वो चिल रही है.
Now they're fine. Now they should be fine. He's just smelling.
स्पाइरो, भागना नहीं है. चोट लगेगी तुम्हें. बेवकूफ कुत्ता. डरा रहे तुम उसको छोटे को.
And drooling all over him.
बॉक्सर्स की यही पहचान है.
बहुत अच्छा. कुछ नहीं है, मो नथिंग. तेरा बड़ा भाई है वो. टेंशन मत ले. Get over his fear also.
Very protective. Spyro is.
Huh.
चल let's go inside.
So he's just seeing if this dog is fine or not. See, his tail is also wagging. So cute.
What are you giving me to? तो चाय दे रहे हो क्या? बच्चा खड़े हो गए. Look at the size difference. देखो 9.5 मिनट की पूरी बॉडी है. क्या कर क्या रहे हो? क्या लिख कर रही है?
He's getting so much attention.
शेर बन गई देख.
हाँ मीकू देखो शेर बन.
अरे, she was running after him when Spyro came.
शेर बन गई.
अच्छा बस तो गीला क्या दिया तुमने उसको? बस हो गया.
They've given him a drool bath.
किसने क्या बोलते? एमो इधर आओ. चलो. चलो तुम चलो.
Meiko, come here. No. Come here. Okay.
शेर बन गई. स्पाइरो का से.
Amo, come. Amo, come. Come.
ये प्लस पॉइंट होता है अगर दो एक.
Good boy. Sit. Amo, sit.
पहले तो डर रही थी जैसे.
Say hello. Sit. Say hello. Good boy. Oh God, you've got drool all over you. Ew. What? No. Down. Good boy.